Hi everyone, I'm Christine Josty of Mail Something Pretty, and I was just about to start a card project, and my blades of my trimmer are getting a little bit dull, and I thought that I would hop on and film a very quick video to show you one way to extend the life of your blades. There's actually two things that you can do. One involves paintbrush and one involves tinfoil or aluminum foil. So I just wanted to show you, this is the Stampin' Trimmer, and you can actually see it needs a little cleaning too, but that's for another video. In your track, sometimes you'll notice that there's like the fibers of the paper, and so one way to do is just take a paintbrush and just kind of sweep or brush down some of the like the pillings or the lint, or the little pieces of paper. So that will help a little bit, give your track a better way for your blade to slide through. But another way is if you take some tin foil and you can just use the tin foil as a way to kind of sharpen your blade. Just do it like 2 or 3 times, and it really does make a difference. It extends the life of your blade just a little bit, and so then when you go to cut your paper, you have a much sharper edge. Sometimes I know when mine's getting dull, I'm getting like a little just a little it's not crisp, it just has a little fiber attached to it, so that's nice and crisp, but that extends the life. And then when it's time to replace the blade, you just bring your blade down, and there's this little divot here, and sometimes you just pull this out. This just pops right out, and your new blade will just pop right in. And there is a little, I notice there's a little triangle on here, and so I usually have that triangle going up. I actually haven't tried it actually going the other way to see if that extends the blade or not. I'll put mine in upside down and I will find out. But I think they work both ways, but there is that direction on there. So that's what I just wanted to show you today. One way to extend the life of your blades and to clean up your trimmer. Thank you very much for watching. If you are not a subscriber of this YouTube channel, please click the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. And also, if you're not on my mailing list, check that out too. You can go to mailsomethingpretty.com. You can check out my blog. There's a sign up box in the sidebar, and you can sign up and get my weekly emails. Thanks for watching. Happy creating. Bye-bye.